How to instantly enter clear mode on TikTok with a simple zoom trick. Did you know you can instantly enter clear mode on TikTok with a simple 2-finger zoom? I'll show you how easy it is. Today I've got a quick TikTok trick that will help you get rid of all the clutter on your screen with just a pinch. Let's dive in. First, open TikTok and start playing any video of your choice. Here's the trick. Zoom in quickly with 2 fingers. Instantly, you've entered clear mode, where the search bar and UI disappear. Now you can enjoy the video in full screen without any distractions. You can pause or interact with the video in this mode too. To go back to the regular view, simply pinch out to zoom back out, and everything will return to normal. Easy peasy. And that's it. Now you can instantly switch between clear mode and normal mode on TikTok with just a pinch. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. See you in the next video.